July 1st, guys, and honestly I'm feeling a little discouraged. We had about a week below normal temperatures, no sun, 5 or 6 days of rain. Those turnips look nice. We have some herbs, not too happy. Lettuce is good. Carrots, pomegranate tree, tomatoes, peppers. These seedlings did not take. Again, a little discouraging, but every year can't be grand, right? Go with Mother Nature and learn. Peas, peas, peas. This amazes me. Apparently a tomato seed got put in my potato box that I never dealt with. I wanted to see if I could do potatoes from seed. And I'm pretty sure I can, but they're supposed to be potatoes. That is a tomato. We got some healthy plants, guys. Thank God for the greenhouse. That smells good. I love playing with the plants. Might get a sugar cube cantaloupe, sugar pumpkin, sugar baby watermelon, tomatillos, extra tomato plants in case I needed replacements. I have some early prolific squash I need to get out there. I think those are more cucumbers. I don't think I'll need them. We'll see what I can do. Here's the yellow watermelon, guys. That, to me, is a success. Based on the weather, no sun, not really warm. Look, look, look. That's all the yellow watermelon from the K.M. Mac project. It's like in the trough. There's my watermelon, guys. And then back here's our sugar baby. I'm gonna climb the fence. So I do have a sugar baby. And our park's yellow. I'm proud of that one. Tomatoes. There's our Parks Whopper from the K.M. Mac. Actually have little tomatoes. Basil's liking it in there. I have, that is a super sauce in the middle, and then our Rutgers right there. Radishes are starting to get picked and eaten, and they are lovely. I've gotten compliments on my radishes. We're gonna have a butternut climb. Peppers here are okay. Some good, some bad. Greenhouse ain't so bad. Disappointed in my pepper seedlings and I didn't get to everything, but let me show you the food first. I have a lot of work to do. I haven't been able to get out here in about a week because of all the rain. Did do some herbs over here, thyme and rosemary. My salad box is working pretty well. Carrot sprouts, radish sprouts, lettuce sprouts. Beautiful bird bath over there. It's all borage. Careful where you plant borage. Broccoli. You see it's just really wet. Celery, cabbage, Tokyo onions. Cauliflower. I have my Silver Queen corn. I'm sure they would like some warmer temperatures other than 50s. Squash looking a little pale. I'll see what I can do. You're looking at the Three Sisters. My beans are sprouting up with my corn. Kind of proud of that. Just don't like the squash looking so yellow. Probably too much water. I'll check nutrients and see what I can do. Those are the Amaze corn. 4 sunflowers still going strong. Pumpkins might make it. These are all my sugar pumpkins. They're looking a little pale. Again, let it dry out a little bit. We'll see where we're at. Celery. We should be having, oh, I'm starting to see carrots, I think. We should have carrots sprouting up in the middle. More celery. Yellow watermelon from the K.M. Mac project outside. As you can see, we're not getting very much, and honestly I have 2.5 months to do it, so That greenhouse one is my best luck. Cantaloupe. Again, a lot of things got root bound, and then they came out here, got shocked, and then it rained a lot. This is a pop-up potato plant. It just popped up from last year, I guess. Back here we have the russets. I need to get another row of those in the ground because they're doing great. These little ones you see are little red, purple, and yellow ones. So even they're popping up good. They've enjoyed the rain. So we're getting potatoes. I do need to get out here and do some weeding. Clean up. Tomato plants got a rough start, but it looks like they're trying to perk up. A lot of them are getting greener, taller. They're growing. I'm not sure. I know I'm not getting the harvest I got last year, guys. I already know. But every year's a learning lesson, and we just adapt. All those are tomatoes down there. And a couple apple trees. This is supposed to be asparagus. It's going to take a bit. Strawberries. 2 blackberries. We have blackberry, blackberry, 4 blueberries. I didn't show you the wildflowers behind the corn, but we have a row of wildflowers here and behind the corn. Huh. Let's see what else we got going on. It's really wet. It's soft. Looking at my peppers. I think they've liked the rain. Didn't get my banana peppers sprouted though. Win some, lose some, guys. I think I'm losing my sugar babies out here. Sugar cube cantaloupe, not happy, so I'm thinking those early prolific squash might go along this trough because we have extra fencing. Cucumbers. I'll do a little more fertilizing or something, but we got plenty of pickling cucumbers. Those are all sprouts in the middle. That's an echinacea. These are my zucchinis. They are getting greener. You don't look too bad. That flowers. These are all beans. My beans came up very nicely. So we lost some, but some are doing good, guys. We will get beans, potatoes. See what happens. Let's check out the old garden. They have cucumber sprout. One in that one. The bean plants I threw out here. We're getting some off those. A couple more sprouts. They are popping up. Raspberries. Deal, northern bedstraw, echinacea, thimbleberry. There's my catnip. Good for cats and humans. Elderberry. About time to do the rhubarb, I think. Pea plants. Raspberry, peas. Sage. Strawberries. We've gotten a few. My oregano's coming back. We got parsley in the middle. Yay. For those that don't know, this is red clover. It's good for you as well. I'll try to do a video on edibles and medicinal things soon, but you can turn those flowers. It's a good tea. Not a medical expert, but you can check out red clover. See if it's something that would help you. My spinach. There's white clover around here too. The onions. We bolted. It's the crazy temperatures. but not bad. I need to clean out the trough. Looks like we have some volunteer plants. Blueberries, these are not producing. That's why we got the 3 new ones. Oh, my tomatoes. This weather. Every year can't be great, guys. I think I had a much better harvest last year, but every year I'm learning. And again, I have probably 2 months, 2.5 months, but 5-gallon bucket challenge. Need to get in here and get that one in the middle. Let's get one of those plants growing good. Not bad for the 5-gallon bucket challenge. This mullein plant's going to be a 2nd year. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that's yarrow. I could be wrong on that one. Broccoli. My butter crunch lettuce. And strawberries. We're actually getting strawberries this year. I need to clean out these beds. Alright, let's see what else I have. I just wanted to say, ain't that a pretty flower? That's nice. And the weeds are taking over my chives. I will deal with that today. And you're looking at white sage. Harvested peppermint yesterday. I'll probably do the sage today. Oh, it's beautiful. There, you're looking at an echinacea plant. A bunch of weeds that I'll be dealing with. Catnip. Feverfew. Mushrooms taking over the ginger mint. They're little. Peppermint got a haircut yesterday. It will all come back plus some. It needed a haircut. It filled up 3 racks in my hanging thing. Lemon balm with mushroom friends. I got some rooting that I'll put right there. And then there's the other lemon balm. Alright guys, cross your fingers we dry out. I can save some of these. Thank you all for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Love you all.